The organizers of the Northeast Festival in Singapore have officially announced the suspension of the event following the demise of renowned Assamese singer and filmmaker Zubeen Garg. According to reports, the 52-year-old artist passed away on the 19th of September 2025 due to drowning while swimming in Singapore. Festival director Kanu Mahanta and his team, who had been coordinating Zubeen Garg's participation in the event, were in the middle of a meeting with senior diplomats and policymakers at the Shangri-La Hotel in Singapore when they received the news of his passing. The organizers expressed deep sorrow over the incident and confirmed that the festival would not proceed as scheduled. In light of the artist's passing, the government of Assam has declared a 3-day state mourning from the 20th to 22nd September 2025. During this period, all celebratory events, public gatherings, feasts, and cultural programs are to remain suspended. However, essential public welfare programs, including health camps, initiatives under the Nikshay Mitra scheme for tuberculosis patients, and environmental activities such as tree plantation drives will continue without disruption. The government of Assam has expressed deep grief and shock over the untimely demise of Zubeen Garg, describing him as a legendary singer, prominent filmmaker, and a cultural icon who made significant contributions to the arts and society at large.